How to review followers on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review followers on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and then click settings and privacy, and now click settings and then go down until you find this one, activity log, and then click here, connections, and then click followers, and here you can review your followers. And that's how to review followers on Facebook mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.